Tracking expenses and profit margins is critical for any law firm's financial health, and today, I'm going to show you the best apps that make this job easier. Now, a lot of people talk about these tools, but here's the catch. I'm not pushing affiliate links or incentivized recommendations. I'm here to give you an honest, data-driven look at what actually works in the real world. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which apps are worth your time and money, and I'll even drop a key tip towards the end that could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year. So stick around. Let's get into it. For law firms, managing expenses and tracking profit margins isn't just about keeping the books in order. It's about making smarter decisions. That means choosing the right software tools that save you time while giving you actionable insights. One of the top apps I recommend is QuickBooks Online. Yes, it's not the sexiest tool out there, but hear me out. QuickBooks offers seamless expense tracking, generates profit and loss reports, and integrates directly with your bank accounts. You can categorize expenses based on case types or specific clients, which is crucial for law firms with diverse clients. If you want a detailed breakdown of your profits and expenses per client or per case, QuickBooks gives you that flexibility. Now, here's the thing. QuickBooks has an overwhelming number of features, and that can be a double-edged sword. It's easy to get lost in all the options, especially if you're new to accounting software. But if you take the time to master it, QuickBooks becomes an indispensable tool that'll give you deep insights into your firm's financial health. Next up, we have Clio Manage. For law firms, it's hard to ignore Clio. It's made specifically for lawyers. It tracks your time, expenses, and bills. What sets it apart is how seamlessly it integrates with your practice management. You can track expenses directly against specific matters or cases, and it even syncs with your bank account for automatic expense logging. But the true power of Clio comes from its ability to manage client billing alongside expenses, making it ideal for firms that bill hourly. But here's the catch. Clio is a little pricey for smaller firms, and some of the extra features may not be necessary unless you're handling a high volume of cases. So, if you're just getting started or you're running a smaller operation, it might not be the most cost-effective choice. Then we have LawPay, a payment processor that also helps track client payments and associated expenses. While it's not a full-fledged accounting software, it does a great job at tracking cash flow in and out of your firm. You can easily track client deposits, payments for services rendered, and expenses related to specific matters. Plus, LawPay is certified by the American Bar Association, so it's built with law firms in mind. The downside to LawPay? It's not as robust when it comes to generating detailed profit and loss reports. But for straightforward billing and expense tracking, it's one of the best, especially when paired with other accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. Speaking of Xero, it's another app that law firms should seriously consider. Xero is widely known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. It connects directly with your bank accounts and automatically categorizes your expenses. Plus, it's great for tracking profit margins because it provides real-time reporting that updates instantly as transactions are logged. What I love about Xero is how it makes managing multiple accounts easier than QuickBooks while still offering robust reporting. However, Xero doesn't specialize in law firm-specific needs like Clio, which means you might have to customize it for your practice, and you may not get the same level of law-specific features like case management integration. But if you need a straightforward financial tracker that can grow with your firm, Xero is a solid choice. Now, I promised I'd share something important towards the end, and here it is. If you're using any of these tools and you're not tracking your expenses and profit margins per case or client, you're leaving money on the table. Tracking isn't just about balancing the books. It's about using that data to optimize your practice's profitability. Even the best apps won't help if you aren't analyzing the right numbers. So, to recap, QuickBooks, Clio, LawPay, and Xero all offer unique advantages, and the right tool depends on your firm's specific needs, whether that's detailed reporting, case-specific expense tracking, or payment processing. If you got value from this video, consider subscribing to support content that's free from affiliate commissions and biases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.